This is a good evening.
Yes, very peaceful. Almost bedtime.
What was that? Something moved. Mouse! Ah! There is a mouse! It's under the shelf!
Ben? What happened?
Son!
Are you okay?
Ben? What is wrong?
Ben, talk to me. What did you see?
There. Behind the books.
Oh no.
Nobody move.
Is it still there?
I need something to move it. I need the broom. I will find it.
Be careful, please.
Where is that broom? There it is. Okay, I am ready. Stay in the living room. Where are you?
Can you see anything?
Not yet. Be quiet.
Should we go back inside?
Stay close to me.
I see it.
Daddy?
Shh.
Are you in there? Ah!
Watch out!
It's out! It's out!
It went into the bedroom.
Is the bedroom door closed now?
Yes. Come on.
We need to call someone.
Good idea.
I have a number for pest control.
Good. Call them now.
Hello? Yes, we have a mouse in our house. Can you help us, please? Help is coming. 30 minutes.
Yay! Sarah, are you scared? A little bit, but I'm okay.
Stay away from the bedroom, please.
Don't worry, I will.
That was a lot of exercise.
Not funny, Dad.
That must be them!
Open it quickly!
Good evening. I am here about the mouse. Yes! Thank you for coming so fast. Don't worry. This happens often. Really? Really? That's good to know. Where did you see it last?
In the bedroom. It went under the door.
He seems very calm. He does this every day.
Under the bed? No. Behind the dresser? I see it.
I see it.
Now we wait. Got it. The mouse is safe inside. I will release it far from here. Don't worry.
Bye-bye, Mouse!
You saved us tonight. Thank you. Happy to help. Good night.
You were very brave tonight.
I was not scared. Not at all. Ben, you screamed.
That was a very interesting evening.
I don't want another evening like that.
The mouse was small. Why were we scared? Good night, Ben.